Best blog writing services: experience, expertise, authority, and trust. Choosing the best blog writing services can be a daunting task. Especially in the digital landscape proliferated with numerous options, how do you determine which one is the best for you? This article provides key insights to guide your decision-making process. Best blog writing services. The best blog writing services are marked by a blend of experience, expertise, authority, and trust. But what makes them tick? Well, they excel in several elements, effectively marrying scalability with potency. Experience. When it comes to content creation, there's no substitute for experience. Top blog writing services have been around the block and understand what works and what doesn't. They have a knack for crafting engaging blogs fine-tuned to your specific audience, making your content relatable and much more effective. But how do we judge the experience? Track record and portfolio are sure-shot indicators of their industry experience. Expertise. Akin to any other craft, experienced hands alone don't suffice. Expertise is a critical factor. The best blog writing services are well-versed in various niches and styles of writing. Whether it's technical blogs or lifestyle pieces, they can move words seamlessly, maintaining a rigorous balance of information and engagement. Is there evidence of their expertise? Publication across diverse niches, testimonials, and reviews will affirm their capabilities. Authority. Your blog is not just a platform for sharing information but an opportunity to establish your brand's authority. The leading blog writing services help amplify your brand's voice, conveying your expertise, and building credibility among your target audience. Gradually, this establishes you as a frontrunner in your field. Authority, again, can be verified through the SEO ranks their content holds. Trust. Last but certainly not least, trust forms the foundation of this venture. Engaging a service for your brand's voice requires faith and confidence in their abilities. Best blog writing services uphold this trust by delivering quality content on time and working in sync with your objectives. Trust can be gauged from client testimonials, service transparency, and timely delivery of content. For an optimal combination of experience, expertise, authority, and trust, you need to do thorough research to find the best blog writing services for your needs. And remember, the best service isn't always the one with the highest price tag. In conclusion, choosing the best blog writing services is a task that demands careful attention. Keep an eye out for factors such as experience, expertise, authority, and trust. After all, your blog reflects your brand, and settling for subpar services just won't cut it. Discover what makes the best blog writing services ultimate choices for your content needs, focusing on experience, expertise, authority, and trust more in our guide. Remember, finding the best blog writing services is an important decision. Shouldn't you make it count?